Hello everyone. In this video you can learn tips to increase views in YouTube video.
Creating quality content is essential to increase views on your YouTube videos. Here are some tips to create quality content. Identify your target audience. Before creating content, you must identify your target audience and their interests. This will help you create relevant and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Plan your content. Plan your content in advance and create a content calendar. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you are consistently creating content. Focus on storytelling. Your content should tell a story and have a clear message. This will help your viewers connect with your content on an emotional level. Use high-quality equipment. Use high-quality equipment to ensure that your videos are visually appealing and have good sound quality. Keep it concise. Keep your videos concise and to the point. Your viewers have short attention spans, so it's essential to get to the point quickly. Use visuals. Use visuals like graphics, animations, and images to make your content more engaging and interesting. Be authentic. Be authentic and genuine in your videos. Your viewers can sense when you're not being genuine, and it can harm your credibility. Research your topic. Research your topic thoroughly before creating content. This will ensure that you have accurate information and can provide value to your viewers. By following these tips, you can create quality content that will attract more viewers and increase your views on YouTube.